Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to another video from Las Vegas. Today we are at Mandalay Bay. We're going to take a look around the casino. We're going to go and get some food, show you the room, and let you experience with us the amazing swimming pool and the swimming facilities here at Mandalay Bay. So come with us. So here we are at Mandalay Bay. Just gonna do a tour of our room so you can see what you get. We're on floor 14, room 103. It's a double queen room, so we're gonna go inside. The first thing, soon as you come in, is this huge mirror just to the side of the entrance. You've got a door there which is a connecting door to the next room, and there is your room. So we've got two queen beds. It's a really nice size, nice light colours as well with the decor. I do believe these have been done up recently. So just at the head of the beds you've got a desk with a nice comfy office style chair there if you wanted to do some work. So there you've got your various power sockets, a couple of plugs, some USB, HDMI, so you can perhaps connect something else up for the TV. And there's an Ethernet cable there for connecting any computers. So you've got your ice bucket there and a mini bar which is all sensor activated, so if you did pick anything up off there, there's a high probability that you're going to get charged. There is also, I think that's a coffee machine, but I guess that's to go with the coffee that's on the mini bar. And there is also a mini bar underneath, and it does say on there this is not for personal use and is sensory activated. So there's a $50 per stay service fee will be applied for storing personal items. So we've stayed in a few hotels on this trip to Vegas, and they've all had fridges that you could use apart from this one. So in this cabinet you've got lots of drawer space. Then over in the corner, a reading lamp with some chairs and a little coffee table. As we look back round at the room, as I mentioned, it is a really nice sized room. So up over here, so the three sets of doors, either the two on the outside are wardrobes, and there you've got your safe and an ironing board and an iron. It's the same over on the other side, minus the ironing board and the iron and the safe, but a wardrobe with your suitcase stand. And the sensor doors are for the bathroom, which we will come back to shortly because I want to show you the view out of our window. So we're at the back of the hotel, facing away from the strip. Still got a nice view. So that's the W Hotel, which used to be the Delano. It's kind of been rebranded recently. And there you've got the Allegiant Stadium. This is a good location if you come in for any events there. They have sports events and concerts there. And then, I'm not too sure if it picks it up, but there just to the side is the Luxor. And then heading further down that way you can see bits of New York and the Cosmopolitan. We'll take a look later on, hopefully, if we're back in the room when it's sunset, because I'm sure over them mountains down the back there that'll be amazing. It's a really nice view out over kind kind of the more residential area of Las Vegas, and a few hotels in the background there. I think that's the Palms over there. A huge thank you to planning.com for sponsoring this video. I've been asked how I'm able to travel so much and where do I book my hotels. Look no further than planning.com. It's a travel site where you can save up to 40% on hotels, not just here in Vegas, but also all around the world. Planning works closely with travel creators like me, giving you recommendations on a hotel so you can have a proper look before you book. Signing up is completely free. Click on the QR code here or hit the link in the description below. You'll also help support my channel, as well as getting yourself a really good deal on hotels. You'll find some great deals on Planning, and by booking through my link you'll also be helping to support my channel, as well as getting yourself a really good deal on hotels. I book hotels on a regular basis all around the world, and I have spotted some brilliant prices on Planning. Once you've signed up, you can check my creator page where I recommend hotels, do reviews, and also YouTube videos for the destinations that I've stayed all around the world. So don't miss out on this opportunity to get yourself a great deal. Click on the QR code here to sign up to Planning, or hit the link in the description below. And once again, thank you to Planning for sponsoring this video. So a really nice room. I'm now gonna go and look into the bathroom and show you around there as well. So let's head in there. Okay, so we're now gonna head into the bathroom via these centre doors. Just push open separately. So into the bathroom we go with 2 sinks and another huge mirror out over the countertop. Plenty of space on the countertop to put all your amenities. They do provide you with body lotion and hand wash there, a couple of glasses, some towels. Here in this door, and closed off, is the toilet. Some artwork there. And then back round is a bath, which is a decent size. I don't think you get more than one person in there, but it is a decent sized bath. Some more artwork on the wall, and there is your shower. So again, not a massive shower, but it does the job. A few towels there. You get shampoo, conditioner, and some more body wash. Looks fairly clean. Another one of them showers where you have to pull the handle out. So all in all, not a bad sized bathroom. Mandalay Bay tends to be one of the hotels that we certainly have never thought about staying in, purely because of its location, but it's a big hotel, and as you have already seen, or you will see, it's got an amazing pool area as well. Okay, so it's now time to go and get some food here at Mandalay Bay. Behind me is the House of Blues, which we're going to go inside and have something to eat. There's so much to choose from in this casino. Lots of different styles of restaurants, from low-end fast food all the way up to high-end cuisines. But we're going to try out the House of Blues. So let's head inside, see what's on the menu, get something to eat and have a drink. So my dinner has arrived. I've gone for the Bluesville fried chicken. You get 2 huge pieces of fried chicken with a Nashville rub, which I believe is going to be quite spicy. Comes with French fries, coleslaw, and the good old dill pickle that the Americans love. It's got 3 sauces. That one's a blue cheese. That's like a whiskey sauce and barbecue. And my wife has gone for Cajun chicken. So it's got pasta in there. It's got blackened chicken, peppers. Both look really good, so we're going to get stuck into these. So that's my time come to an end here at Mandalay Bay. Just wanted to give my final thoughts on this resort here on the Las Vegas Strip, and what a pleasant surprise it has been. It's always somewhere that we thought about but kind of disregarded because of its location. But when you actually look at it from how you can get to other areas of the Strip, it isn't that bad. So what you've got is a tram that goes all the way from Mandalay Bay to the Excalibur, and then straight over the bridge you're at New York, New York. And then there's further trams on either side of the Strip to be able to get you to the centre. So that is something that I wouldn't think about again if I was going to book Mandalay Bay. So for the rooms, absolutely beautiful rooms. Lots of space, really comfy beds, really nice and light as well. We've got a view out to the back of the Las Vegas Strip, overlooking the Allegiant Stadium and over into the hills of the kind of the residential areas of Las Vegas. The casino floor is big, and there are plenty of games that you can play. Good selection of food. We ate at the House of Blues, and it was good. Probably the biggest attraction for this hotel is the swimming pool and the facilities around the Mandalay Beach. Very, very child friendly, which is always something that you wouldn't think of coming to Las Vegas. There was plenty of families out there in the pool, and we had a really nice time by the pool. The weather was beautiful. We had a cocktail and a beer, so all in all, we've had a really good time here at Mandalay Bay. Let me know in the comments below if you have stayed here before and what you thought about it, and if it's somewhere that you would visit again on your next trip to Las Vegas. Please do leave a like on the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you get updates when I release new videos. I've got more videos coming up from this Las Vegas series, so don't miss out on them when they're released. And until next time, I will see you in the next video.